When you're searching for the best freestanding dual monitor mount, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to really find the one that fits your needs, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Mount Pro Dual Monitor Stand. The Mount Pro Dual Monitor Stand caught my eye right away with its sleek design and affordable price of $29.98. If you want an ergonomic solution for your workspace, this is worth a serious look. Plus, it fits monitors from 13 to 27 and can hold up to 17.6 pounds per arm. That means you can position your screens just how you like them, reducing neck strain and increasing productivity. With over 3,400 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, a lot of users seem to agree. Now, some people complained about the assembly process being a bit tricky. Just remember to balance the monitors when hanging them to avoid tipping. This is perfect for you if you're looking to improve your workspace ergonomics without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need a mount for larger monitors, though. For the price, it's a solid value. Now, if Mount Pro's assembly issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Wally Dual Monitor Stand. Next up is the Wally Dual Monitor Stand, priced at $31.38. It's a great option if you're after a sturdy and reliable setup for 2 monitors. If you want to optimize your desk space while enhancing efficiency, this one is worth your attention. This stand supports monitors up to 27 inches and 22 pounds per arm, with a heavy-duty base that ensures stability. The double benefits of having adjustable height and swivel functions mean you can easily change your view to reduce strain. Plus, the detachable plates make installation simple, which is a must-have for anyone who's not tech-savvy. With over 13,400 reviews and a consistent 4.5-star rating, many users find it to be an effective solution for their dual monitor needs. Some users did mention they wish the base was heavier for added stability. But honestly, as long as you ensure it's well placed on your desk, it holds up really well. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a strong, adjustable mount that fits most monitor sizes. Skip this one if you need a more portable solution or have heavier monitors. For the features, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those needing flexibility. Product number 3, vivo Dual Monitor Desk Stand. The vivo Dual Monitor Desk Stand comes in at $39.99, and it's designed specifically for those with larger ultra-wide screens. If you're looking to create a more organized and spacious workspace, this is definitely one to consider. Holding 2 ultra-wide screens up to 34 inches, it's compatible with 75x75 and 100x100 mounting holes. With a 15.4x12.4 base, it's sturdy enough to keep your monitors secure, and the integrated cable management system helps eliminate clutter. It boasts a solid 4.6-star rating from around 3,300 reviews, indicating that users appreciate its functionality. However, some users did report that it can be a bit tricky to adjust the height once it's set. But if you're not moving it around frequently, it's a minor issue. This is perfect for you if you have larger monitors and want a reliable, adjustable stand. Skip this if your desk space is limited, but for those with ample space, it's a fantastic option. Now, if vivo's height adjustment concern is something you want to avoid, check out this next product that simplifies the process. Product number 4, vivo Stand V002F. Next is the vivo Stand V002F, priced at $34.99. It's a solid choice for those with standard-sized monitors. If you want a mount that's easy to install and adjust, you should definitely give this one a look. This stand accommodates screens from 13 to 27 and can hold up to 22 pounds per arm, which makes it very versatile. With a full articulation feature, you can tilt, swivel, and rotate your monitors to find the perfect angle. The heavy-duty base is also designed to keep things stable while protecting your desk from scratches. With more than 15,900 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, many users love its simple yet effective design. However, some reviewers noted that it could tip if the monitors are not balanced properly. Here's the thing, as long as you follow the installation tips, it's not really a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you have smaller monitors and want an affordable yet effective solution. Skip this if you're using larger screens, as it might not fit those needs. For the price, it offers great value. Now, if you're still looking for something that can handle larger screens, let's take a look at our final product. Product number 5, Hemudu Dual Monitor Stand. Last but not least, we have the Hemudu Dual Monitor Stand, available for $31.99. This is a great option for anyone with larger screens looking for a space-saving solution. If you want to maximize your desktop space without compromising on functionality, this one's a great pick. This stand can hold 2 monitors from 13 to 34 and supports up to 44 pounds each. The vertical stack design is particularly appealing for those who want to clear up desk real estate. With adjustable tilt and swivel features, you can position your monitors for optimal comfort. It also includes integrated cable management to keep your setup looking tidy. With around 5,300 reviews and an impressive 4.6-star rating, it's clear that many people find this stand effective. However, the height adjustment can be cumbersome for some users. But honestly, if you're setting it up once and leaving it, it's not a major issue. This is perfect for you if you have larger monitors and want to save space. Skip this if you prefer a traditional side-by-side setup. For the features it offers, the price is pretty reasonable. So to wrap it up, we've looked at the Mount Pro for its affordability, the Wally for its sturdiness, the vivo for its ultra-wide compatibility, the vivo stand V002F for its ease of use, and the Hemudu for its space-saving design. Each has its strengths and fits different needs. Choose the one that best suits your workspace and enjoy the benefits of a dual monitor setup.